Greetings, COM 704, I'm Ben Frazier.
And I'm Steve Perry.
And we are your professors and looking forward to a good semester. We want to just introduce ourselves, and also we want to give you a little overview of what we hope is happening this semester. First, we're going to be studying
about celebrity influence. And just because my name's Steve Perry, for those of you who are from the 80s and remember the band Journey, I'm not one of the celebrities.
His name is Perry, and actually my middle name is Perry, so it's a little known fact that we're somehow probably in the past related. We look like brothers, I know, but we're not. We really want to emphasize a couple things. One is that this class is a research class, but it's not like most of the research classes you have where there's an actual direct content. And this is a class where it's really self-motivated. We will frame the class for you and say, we want you to work in this area, but then we want you to also take the initiative and find a research project that you're interested in and then carry it out through the semester and finish it. And so there isn't one methodology, but all methodologies are open depending on...
It's going to be theory driven.
That's right.
You can't start with a topic. Those of you who are used to coming into a class and saying, hey, I've got a topic I'm really interested in, just take that urge and suppress it, because we're going to start with the literature. You've got to get into the literature. And so in doing that, we're going to be looking at some readings that we've scheduled for you this week.
Yes.
One of them, the main one we're going to focus on is Dr. Brown's recent publication in Com Theory journal. It talks about 4 different theoretical approaches to celebrity influence.
Yeah, and to audiences. And so that's the one you should attend to. Read all 3 of them, but that's the one we really want you to look at and read. And we're using that as a jumping off point for our study on celebrity this semester. Now, we have a secret hope for you and for us. And that secret hope is that maybe when the semester's over, that the quality of what we do will be important. It'll be important to the field. It'll be furthering knowledge. It'll be furthering research. And so we want to see the products that are created in this class, likely to be group projects. In fact, we're going to insist on it. That's right.
That we're going to find people who will come up with, here are the best questions, not necessarily your chosen question, but here are the best questions that we've seen that have come out of literature that you guys have looked at and brought forward. We're going to put groups together on those. We're going to start you on projects. We're going to find the best method to answer the question. And then hopefully the resulting product can be a chapter. And we're thinking that we'd like to put a book together.
Yeah, maybe we'll be the editors and you'll be writing for that book. And we'll see. But that is our hope. It's at this point, it's a hope. It's not reality. But who knows? Maybe we can do that, and we're trying to do that. One of the things we want this class to do is get you ready for publication. If you're getting a PhD at this institution, and really at any institution, one of the things you're required to do is to publish. And that's what we're trying to prepare you to do. And all publishing is theory-driven because we're trying to add to the body of knowledge. And so that's why we're doing that. We're framing this within the celebrity influence. We think that's something that's very important and that we can add, that this university can add. Several of us here have written articles and chapters on theory and theory influence in our culture. And so we're taking advantage of that, and we hope this class can do that. So is there anything else we needed to go over? Or is that?
I hope that you will be part of this big adventure that we're trying to set off on. That even if celebrity influence isn't normally your topic, that you will see this as a chance to learn how to start at ground zero, learn the literature in an area, develop a knowledge of what are the next questions that need to be answered, and figure out the best method to answer those questions, put it into practice, work through the whole project, and in the end come up with a diamond that's no longer in the rough.
Yeah, and work with other people in the process. Most often you work with other people. There are very few lone rangers in our field. There's a few, but most people work with 1 or 2 or a group of other people, and this class will give you the opportunity to do that. Well, we hope to see you on Blackboard and the discussion board. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us. We're very excited to work with you in this class.
I did think of one other thing is, as we get toward the end or toward later in the semester, the groups that you are in, we're going to need to find some meeting times online where we can do synchronous meetings in order to work in group projects. So just kind of keep that in your mind that we're going to have to find, and it may be Thursday evening at 11 p.m. I don't know, but it may be at an odd time. We just need to find a time where we can get a group together kind of on a once-a-week basis to work projects forward. So.
And we encourage you to look at the syllabus. We spent time preparing it, and the syllabus kind of explains a lot of what we're saying now and in a little more detail. So look at that, and then if you have questions after that, email us and we'll try to address them. All right, have a good day.
God
Thank
bless.
you. Bye.